Okay, so we're gonna look at the step up. A train leaves Central Station at 3 o'clock. Look at each watch below. How many minutes does each person need to wait for the train? So these are analog clocks. So we're trying to get to 3 on each of these. This is not going to be individual minutes. These are all going by 5s. So we're trying to get to 3 o'clock. We're trying to get that big hand, which is the minute hand, up to the 12. How many minutes will it need to get to 3? Anybody? Step up 1A. Janaya? Janaya?
The hour is on 2.
Uh-huh.
And it's on 2. So in order to get to 3, it would be 20.
Nope. Right here. If you go from 11 to 12, that's how many minutes?
60.
Nope.
5.
Bree?
5.
5 minutes. Good. Because right now it's at, so this is 2, but it is 2:55. So how many more to get to 30? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. Okay. If you're looking at, let's look at 1D. It's 2:40. So 2:40. And we want it to go all the way, the big hand to go up to the 12. You can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15,
25.
20. So 20 minutes. Okay, let's look at 2. Write these times using minutes 2. So that means we're trying to get to the next time, the next hour. So if it's 6:38, what hour are we trying to get to? 7. How many minutes to get to 7? So 6:38, we're trying to get to 60. So what's the difference? So how do we find that difference? What numbers do we subtract from each other? Tanner, thank you.
You subtract 8 to get to 30.
No. Okay, let's do 60, because that's how many minutes are in an hour, minus 38. Can't do 0 minus 8, so that's a 5, that's a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 22 minutes to 7. Good. If you need to, you can use this clock. You can say, okay, we're trying to get to 7. It's 7:38, so that's 40, so 38 is right here. How many minutes? So that's 2 minutes right there, and then so 5, 10, 15, 20, plus the 2. 22. You could also do it like that with this clock. You will not be able to use the clocks for like major tests, but you can use them on the regular grades. Okay, 38, 1, 2, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5 is 22. Janaya? Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't do it that way.
That's fine as long as you got it. Okay, we need to move on though. We can show that in a minute, okay? All right. Show the time on the analog and digital clocks. 15 minutes to 3. So is it 3 o'clock yet?
Nope.
Okay, so what hour would it be?
2.
2. So if we're trying to get to 3, thank you. We're trying to get to 3, and it's saying 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. What time is that? 2 what? 2:45. So we need to show 2. It's not at the 2 anymore. Oh, that should have been a shorter one. 2:45. Questions on these? So these are all 2. So this is the hour. We're getting 2. So that means it's not going to be 9. It's going to be
2. What? 10.
It's not going to be 9. It's going to be what? 8. We're trying to get to 9. It's not going to be 6. It's going to be 5. It's not going to be 5. It's going to be 4. Step ahead. Write the answers. Patricia plays soccer at 4:30 on Wednesday afternoons. She plays for 45 minutes. What time does she finish? So you could say, okay, 4:30. Okay, and 45 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. What time is it?
3:27.
Switch it.
5:25.
5:15. It's 5:15. This is the shorthand. This is the longhand. Shorthand shows the hour. Longhand shows the minutes. Another way to do that is 4:30, so 45 minutes. So if you have 30 minutes plus 45 minutes, you get 75. Well, you can't say 475, right? So you take 60 minutes out of there, and that will give you 15. So this 1 hour gets added onto the 4, so it's a 5, and then 15 minutes left over.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay? That's okay. There's different ways to do it. You can use a clock or this one, and we will still practice it. Okay? You can work with a partner if you wish. In a minute, hold on. You can get 1 clock per partner, not per person though, unless you are working on your own.